Pause. Pause. Alright, hold on. Before we explain how we got here, let's start from the beginning. Alright guys, as you guys can tell from the title, it is time. The SI has been doing me great, but we're heading over to the dealership right now, and there's a Type R.
Yeah, make sure to get them before they nice. No holes.
Oh, no holes this time?
No holes, bro. Oh, nice.
Jeez. Alright, now all jokes aside, this isn't my Type R. It's his Type R.
Yeah.
So, Charles had a Type R before, and he's been missing it. Dang, bro, this thing has 9 miles on it. Right off the lot. Dang, before PDI, huh? Barely even dry. I think that's the lowest I've seen, because you never see one because it's got to be in production. But
I think on my previous one I had 3 miles.
3?
But when I signed the paperwork I had 5, and they took it to the gas station. You know, they had to wash it, move it around. So that's why it has 9 now.
Dang. Well, I don't think my SI even had that low. But this is Charles's Type R, and the reason he got it, he actually had one before, but he has a 4Runner now that he actually traded the Type R for. And wanted to go kind of like something more practical and I guess off-roading, but of course he misses his Type R, so he actually now still keeps the 4Runner and has a Type R once again, but this time instead of a 2018 he's got a 2020. Now there are some new features to it that I know. There's the log R. One thing that I've already noticed off the bat is this steering wheel. Geez, I kind of want something like this for the SI. Not a big fan of the red here, but something just all black all around. Love the feel. Kind of matches with the seats, and everything else aside from just the auto sensing, as you guys already know, the Honda sensing and all that, and got the nice volume knob and all these buttons now to make it a little bit easier. I'd say it's pretty much the same. Oh, yep, Honda sensing features right there. But it's pretty sick because he's now back in the R family, and pretty glad about that. He was debating between this and an S2K or even the new Supra, but honestly, I think this was the best choice. It's, you know, it's a 4-door still. It's got enough space. The Supra is kind of small, and especially the S2000. But and it's something new, so can't really worry about like past owners if you got the S2000 or even with the Supra. It's too small. So this was a good fit, I think, and especially since he had one before, he knows he already likes it. But it's pretty sick to you know, vlog this. This is again a memory for him to kind of keep for the past or for the future. But yeah, should I get one? I'm just kidding. We couldn't. But it's pretty sick to be in one. So this is nice. I like this. This is my favorite right here. I'm holding on to the key like it's mine.
What?
It's your Type R now.
Oh, it is? That's nice.
I'm actually doing this as a giveaway gift.
I told Charles to wrap this. I think it all scratched up.
Oh yeah. I know, that kind of sucks, huh? Because this does
it's
definitely
nice,
get messed
brand
up.
new, shiny stuff. But yeah, and then I mean, here's mine after 3 years.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Yep.
Was it glossy like this too?
It used to be glossy.
Dang, I need to check mine. Shoot, I wonder how mine is now. Here, before I damage it. Oh yeah, mine's Dunzo.
So is yours.
Yep, Dunzo. Actually, let me see.
Inside's probably dirty as hell too.
Super Dunzo. So the cool thing now is that we've had this platform for so long that we kind of just know everything to do. So
yeah, because I got my car 2017 and then yours is 2018.
Yep.
So back then there was like very little parts for our cars. I remember like back then, like there's a waiting list for everything, right?
Yeah, no, nothing was really out yet, and like we were still trying to figure out the platform and everything. And I think too for the Type R's, like there really wasn't. Well, there was more for the Type R's than the SI, but there wasn't still much out yet. Like the fuel system wasn't out. PRL I think just barely came out with the intake and stuff. And I think Engine and Mishimoto started coming out with that stuff.
And there's still parts coming out, even though we're at the final year of the 10th gen.
Why? Maybe final year.
This is the 2021. It's the last year of the 10th gen. 2022 is the 11th gen.
Oh, snap.
And then no SIs in 2021, but there's still Type R's in 21.
What do you mean no SIs in 2021?
They're skipping a year.
I thought they're just not going to make the SI coupe anymore.
the coupes, all coupes are gone forever, right? But 2021, there's no manual sedans and there's no SIs for 2021. So,
All right, time to get your SIs right now, guys.
2020 SI is the last SI, so whatever's left in the lots.
I see, and then they're gonna come out with the 11th gen.
11th gen, yeah.
I don't know. I feel like they got higher expectations now for the 11th gen because I feel like the 10th gens were a great platform. I think the only thing they could improve on the 11th gen is better internal buildup, because obviously we found out that internals don't really last that long. And
then Honda, if you're watching, thicker paint.
oh yes, yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys can agree. You know, comment below what other issues they should improve on for the 11th gen, because I think after having this platform and being out for this long, I'm sure we can say a lot of things.
This Charles' last signature, I think.
Oh. Last sign?
And then we just make you a copy of that, so you have that in the back. Exactly.
All right, so how do you feel?
Good.
Now you have the Type R, you still have the 4Runner. How does it feel to have both?
Fantastic. I mean, like, I'm covered, you know? I can go fast, still practical, or I have my really practical 4Runner that I could take off-road, so I'm good.
What's the, I'm sure people are wondering, but what's the first thing you're gonna do to the Type R?
I actually have a shift knob that I had ordered. It's a Battlecraft, the Hyper Teardrop. So I'll probably put that in, but other than that, who knows? There might be wheels in a drop. I don't know yet.
Power, Hondata?
Good chance. Or Motec, we'll see.
Oh, taking the leap already, huh?
That's a pretty steep leap, but I'm gonna enjoy it first for a little bit. So.
All right. It's nice, bro. Congratulations.
Thanks. Make sure this is the actually my key, not your SI key.
Oh, you want to trade?
Hey, just check the back of it. Trust me, you'll see the scratches. All right, right off the bat, we're modifying the Type R. So we're putting on a Vincent, we're putting on your strut bar right now.
Why not?
You know, hey, did we void warranty by doing this already?
I didn't see it.
Oh, okay, we're good, guys, we're good. All right, first official startup. Let's get it. It's gonna be super loud, like banging. Probably one of the neighbors know. Hey, are you gonna turn it on?
It's already on, you asshole.
I'm just kidding.
I called my girlfriend. I was like, I'm so happy I didn't buy that S2000.
Oh, you're happy you didn't buy the S2000?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
All right, let's see this log R. I think you need to like, you know, prove that it's your phone, all of that.
Turn the air down for that.
Yeah, enable, always enable. There we go.
Fahrenheit, miles, PSI, bar. Sounds good. Okay. Let's go to settings.
See if it's in the like, click the bottom so you can see all the full menu. And it's full menu. Oh, right there.
There it is. Log R. Alright, oil temp, pressure, intake, IAT right there, 136.
Nice.
Gear position, G meter.
Let's go.
Water temp, oil temp, IATs. That's all you need.
That's pretty nice, actually.
It's a really nice feature, yeah, definitely.
Yeah. All right, be honest with me. Did I get you guys at all in the first half? Like, a little bit? Because I know that there'd be some people that believe that I would trade the SI for the R. And I feel like a majority of you would have understood that there's no way I would have done that. It would for sure be a big, like, Uno reverse card for me just because of the fact that we've done so much with the SI, so it's like, why get the R? For sure. At least in my case, that's how I see it. But if I did get an R, it would be my secondary car and it would be my daily for sure. But I saw the opportunity when my buddy Charles told me we're going to get his Type R, and I just had to. I'm sorry, guys, I had to. Oh, screen screen went out. But again, congratulations to my boy Charles. I want to just thank him and thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the content today. We are going to be posting again on Friday, and on top of that, I'm just trying to be more active with you guys here. As you guys know, this is kind of like now my full-time thing, and I'm trying to up the production quality of a lot of things here and do a lot more, go venture a lot more. And the way you guys can help support me in that way is also by checking out the merch site. You guys already know. But that also helps me out to continue with entertaining content for you guys, do more. And I know a lot of things that I want to dive into because a lot of people keep asking me about it, is some how-to videos. And there's a lot of how-to videos that I definitely need to work on. But now with me focusing a lot more on this, having this kind of office space, a lot of that is going to be happening now. And so looking forward for the channel, I plan on doing some how-to guides. We're talking the biggest thing is how to Honda hack your infotainment screen, even though there's a lot of videos out there, but we'll have my own version. And how to get the Hondata gauges on your screen. I know that's a big thing that a lot of people have asked me about when they see my Instagram videos or such. So that's one of the how-to videos that I will definitely be working on for you guys to help guide you guys. And another video I do want to do that I'm pretty excited about is giving you guys my ultimate review after ownership of my SI and my thoughts and everything about it and things I would love that Honda could ever change for the next model. So those are videos to look forward to. There's a lot to go on with the channel, but on top of that too, a lot to grow from it as well. So again, if you guys would please go ahead and check out my merch site at PhongVLG.com. Check out all the stuff there. I'm trying to get more products on the site too for you guys to share out because I love seeing you guys tag me in your Instagram stories and seeing all these decals out. It's actually pretty sick to know that these are going all over the world. And then for my international people, I'm sorry we haven't done international shipping just yet, but that is coming soon. It's just a lot of a struggle with that just because of COVID and everything. So I'm just trying to find the right opportunity to introduce that stuff. But please check it out. Your guys' support means a lot to me. Please also click that like button. The more likes, the more I guess I feel like you guys are watching it and I can continue with this. Now I know there's going to be a comment out there because I see this a lot, especially in my past videos. Somebody's going to talk about my hands going all over the place. And now that I said it, you guys are going to be watching my hands a lot. But to cut this video short, to get to the end, I just want to say thank you guys again for the continued love and support on the channel. We're going to be growing a lot. The production quality is going to be going up. And there's just so much that I got to bundle in a separate video. But thank you guys. As always, you guys already know the motto. I'm speaking too fast. But keep grinding, stay humble, and yada. Thank you, family. I'll see you guys on Friday.